Well, welcome back to Mid-Cap Radar. Well, let's now move to a CNBC TV18 exclusive. Our colleague Sudarshan joins in with details from the Karnataka Mineral Tax Act 2024. Sudarshan, last week you had hinted about this particular tax being levied upon miners, and it appears as though the news break that you had broken last week has been confirmed.
That's correct. So last week on Friday, we had talked about that Karnataka government is likely to issue the order related to increase in the iron ore duty, and that announcement is expected soon. So basically, we have accessed the draft from Karnataka government because the draft was circulated a few days ago. Now, what does it say? So basically, it has two parts. One is mineral tax on the land, and another is mineral tax on the rights, basically mineral tax on the lease that these companies have got. So first, talking about the mineral tax on the land, it says there will be tax of ₹100 per ton that you produce the mine, and that will be effective January 2005. And January 2005, it's as per the Supreme Court order, because Supreme Court in its order, in August order, had said that Karnataka government has the right to tax retrospectively, and for the land, it's retrospectively, and that's effective January 2005. Now coming to the second part, that is mineral rights tax, that is basically lease for the mine. So basically it has few parts. So first, it has different rates announced, and for this mineral rights part, it will be effective January 2015. So now first is tax for rights granted via non-auction. Here, it would be tax would be 3 times of royalty. Second is for PSUs who has got the lease before 2015, and it's for 50 years. Basically, 50 years still active. Here, again, royalty will be 3x of what company is paying currently. Third is for PSUs, which has got the lease before 2015 and 50-year period is completed. Here, tax will be 1.5 times of the current royalty that these companies are paying. Second last is PSUs granted lease after January 2015. Here also, tax will be 1.5 times of current royalty. And last is tax on mineral rights granted through auction route. Here it would be ₹1 per ton. So for this, JSW Steel, it's ₹1 per ton. But more than this, JSW will be impacted largely because it's one of these, basically, it gets major part of iron ore from NMDC, and NMDC has to pay the higher tax. So obviously, once NMDC has paid to the higher tax, it will increase the prices, and that's the reason it will impact JSW Steel. Other two stocks that will be impacted negatively because of this are Vedanta and Sandur Manganese, because they are also the major producers of iron ore in Karnataka. And for NMDC standalone, it will be impacted significantly because of total mix. Karnataka forms nearly 35% for NMDC.
Very detailed explanation there, Sudarshan. Thanks a lot for that. And NMDC has given up all the gains as of now after Sudarshan just explained what has been transpiring for the Karnataka mining tax. But